Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to be making GUI for our game. Now this links back to the other video of me creating this kill block which kills me. So yeah, we're going to be creating GUI for, I guess, like a kind of shop obby. Right now I haven't got any GUI on my screen because, well, I don't see why, because this is the only thing that I did, and that was recorded about a day ago. So yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to click on this little little plus icon, and then click on Screen GUI. So you can actually make like a screen part. So like if you create a part, you can, first of all, you can just do whatever you want, and then you can add a what is it? Yeah, it's a surface GUI, and then in here you can add like a little frame. I mean, you can do that, but you don't need to. But anyway, I just like to call this whatever you were calling it, so I'm just going to call it shop UI. You can call it shop GUI, or what, you can call it whatever you want really. And then once you created your shop UI or your screen GUI, click on the plus icon again, and then if you don't see text button there, just type in text or the text button, and then click on text button, and then you can have this wherever you want. So I'm just going to call it open/close. I don't know, I just usually call it that. And if you click on the little plus icon, you don't have to do this, but I would like to add a UI corner just to make it nice and fancy. You can change this 8 number to whatever you want. I personally like 15. You can go for like 25. That's fine too. It's just very round. You can go for 20 if you want. Yeah, I might just go for 20 at the moment. And then same. This one's optional too, but I quite like having it. You don't have to do this, obviously. So, and then click back onto your text button, and then type in text in the properties. If you don't see properties, if you go in view, properties will be here. So if that's not there, just tick it on. So then you can just change this text whatever you want. I'm just going to call it shop. I mean, why not? Yeah, it's going to be a shop. And then I'm going to change this colour to white. Now it has this, but I don't really just like the normal font. So if you come up in the search bar again and type in fonts, you can change this to whatever you want. I personally like Fredoka 1 just because it's like very smooth, and I love it. And also you can change the background colour to whatever you want. For now I'll just change it to red, why not? And then what we want to do now is we want to insert a frame. So click on the plus icon and then insert a frame. I'm just going to call this shop frame. Yeah, shop frame. That's not how you spell shop, for God's sake. I can spell. Yeah, now I can't even get it. Oh my god. So what I want to do is I want to get this like in line with this middle. Yeah, so now it's in line. Now I'm going to insert another UI corner. I'm going to change this one to 20 just because it looks so nice. And then I'm going to add another UI stroke, and I'm going to change that to 20. Oh, whoa, that's big. Oh, that looks so cool. That's so smooth. Wow. Whew. But Actually, I'll change it to 4 just to make it a bit more wow, you know. And you can change the background color to whatever you want, because since my my channel is like based on a bear, I'm going to change it to like a brownish color, but I'm just going to change this to the opposite color just to make it brighter. So then also you can change this to whatever you want. You can change it to border, you can change it to contextual, yeah. It doesn't really matter. And then in your shop, you don't have to add like a little shop label. I'm just going to call this title, so yeah. So, and then in here, I'm going to do text. I'm just going to do shop. Now, some people, you can skip to the timestamp where I get to the functioning button, but I'm just going to make this look good. Editor, skip the, yeah, now it's time to cut. Okay, so I've made like a little sign here. Also, I could make a model on this, so yeah, I could actually save this to Roblox and, you know, do that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So then what you want to do in the shop frame, click on the plus again, and then insert another text button. Now this is going to be like the little exit button. So when you click on it, it closes this UI. So I'm just going to call this exit. I don't know why, it's just random. So and then in the exit button, I want to insert a UI corner, and what I'm going to do here is 1, 0 is the exact same as 0, 100. It's the exact same. I just like to keep it, you know, more compact, and so it isn't like a ginormous number if I want to change it. So I'm just going to change it to like a circle. You don't have to do a circle, but I would like to. I'm going to change the background color to red just because it's an exit one. Then I'm going to change the text to a capital X that rhymes, and change the color to that. And I know I'm kind of doing this fast, but the main point of this really is like the coding, so I'm just trying to get it like out of the way. So I'll just be right back. So now, once you have your frame, I know the background color doesn't really look very appetizing, but first I'm going to script the exit button. So in the exit button, insert a local script. Now this will be in the description, so if you do want to copy this down, it will be in the description, but here is the script. You can drag, right click, copy, or Control C. I just use Control C, it's a lot more easier. Delete the print, just delete the print hello world. Yeah, you don't need that. And then paste it, and then this is just telling the button, once the button is clicked, function this. So then it's telling the parent of this button to turn the visibility into false, because right now it's visible. So then if we test this, you don't have to test this, but if we go in game with it visible, if you click on it, it hides. Now let's get on to this button, because right now we click on it, it just doesn't do anything. So in the button, first you want to actually click on it, and then you want to do what we did with the X button, but a different script. So if we add a local script, delete hello world, just because we don't really need it. So in the description, this will also be here. So you want to drag, right click, copy, or Control C. and I use Control C, like I said before, and then paste in here. But as you can see, this, you have to change the frame of your the name of your frame to in the script. That sounded weird. Now, if you want to do, so you want to change it to the name of your frame. So mine is shop frame. So I'm going to put in shop frame. And then you don't have to do anything after that. I'm going to change the visibility to 0. So now you can't see it. So now, let's test it. So if I click on this, it shows. When I click on that, it doesn't. And anyway, guys, that'll be the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please do give a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.